With that forehand down the line, she was cruising back. You could hear on the grunt as well as she played the shot. She thought the point was over. Buzarnescu doing incredibly well there. Squash shot forehand, cutting it low cross court. Can't really prepare for that.